Come here. Sit. Touch. Oop. Paw. Oh. Look at it done. We gotta stay faithful to the arts and crafts. This is me teaching my baby child about the color spectrum, the order of the rainbow. It's good to start color theory early. That's what I think. Got more skateboards. Oh. Hella heavy. We got more skateboards to document. Whoop. This is on my chalkboard. Hold up. Chalkboard. We just editing phone vlog number 4 right here. Hope you like it. I gotta find me a riser. Synthesizer sound with a very long sustain. And we're gonna put a super long glide on. We wanna be able to hit a note that's really low, and then we wanna be able to hit a note that's really high, and then we want a long glide that goes from between both of those notes. This is gonna be sick. That was pretty tight, actually. Now we gotta record that. Might be able to pump it, too. I mentioned in some previous videos that my ankle be having things be popping out of it. Just earlier, the little thing that was popping out, it popped back in. It was like, boop. And I was like, what? Be clicking around up inside my ankle. It's been like 10 years since my last real ankle injury. Kind of curious as to see what's going on with it. Way too hot to be skateboarding right now. Probably just out of shape though. Alright, let's go. Did a couple ollies. Ankle feeling better. I mean, it's still pretty schwank, but feeling better though. That's one of my favorite sounds. I call it the it's like Super Mario. Got the bloop 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 bloop. That's one of my favorite sounds. Got some real talk. Got some real thoughts. These vlogs aren't really scripted, but I be using bullet points. But most of my thoughts already exist on paper anyways. I'm a very avid note taker. The rainbow and notebooks right there. Those are all my thoughts from like the past over 10 years. We'll take a little notebook tour in the future. I hand bound all those, by the way. I've actually hand bound like a few hundred notebooks in the past. We're gonna get back to that on this channel too, because I got some homies asking me about bookmaking. I just be swimming in notebooks. You know, I be doing the Dear Diary, it's your boy Embark Life. This is what happened to me today. Nowadays, I just be using using whatever scraps I have. This is from a birthday present I wrapped a few days ago. So, yeah. That's what I'd be doing. By the way, I try to record most of this this vlog episode with the cinematic mode on the iPhone 13. I'm using both the front and the back camera. My brother was asking me about what camera I was using for these vlog edits. Really what I want to say is thank you so much for watching. There are 143 of you subscribed, so really to each of you, thank you so much. So sad. 3 years ago, I had 0 subscribers. Pretty good. It's pretty good. I know it's all my fault, but I want to let you know that I'm gonna try and actually grow this channel. I'm gonna really try and make all 143 of you very proud to be here early in my season of obscurity. I'm learning to be interesting and relatable. I lost another one. I'm pretty sure these vlogs aren't gonna grow my channel. They just fun for me to make. I'm learning a lot. They inspired me to be a better father, actually. Try not to take any of these moments with my baby children for granted. You gotta show up and let them know that they're worthy. I don't know, I should probably pick a niche. Maybe I should do some product reviews. Maybe I should start doing real tutorials. Maybe I should have tried to become a guitar tuber. I should probably be making more videos for the search engine. I should be making all of those videos, actually. That's what I should be doing. As of right now, a YouTube channel needs 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours across all of their videos in the past 365 days. That's to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. But for us on this channel, we're not even close. We're yeah, not even close. But that's okay in terms of actually making content that people want to watch. I can't even say that I've even tried. So we got to get going. That's what all this is about. I'm trying to show up on the channel like way more often. These past few iPhone vlogs have been teaching me how to become like way more consistent. You know, consistency is key. All the videos on this channel before the iPhone vlog videos that I be doing, basically those taught me how to make these iPhone vlog videos. There's a lot of things going on in the editing suite when I be making these. I'm still trying to preserve that amateur aspect. You know, this is YouTube. That's what I like about YouTube. Making videos for the channel taught me how to produce music on a different level. One of my favorite things to do is use 5-note sequence and a 4-note sequence, all aligned to 8th notes. You have the starting note, 5-note sequence, and then you have the starting note again, but with a 4-note sequence, and then that accent of that starting note is going to jump around. The rest of the notes are going to fall into different places. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. It's a little bit repetitive, but once you start knocking it against the beat that counts by 4, you start hearing its little characters popping out. Gotta go bloop, bloop, bloop. I took a lot of film classes back in art school. I've never stopped thinking about classical structure. YouTube really pushing the boundaries of those concepts, though. It gets wild out here. All those past videos is what brought me to be making this video right here. I don't regret those videos, and I don't regret doing YouTube wrong for this whole time. It brought me here, and I've learned a lot. Those are the things that make me thankful. Try to celebrate. Thankfulness really is a prerequisite to happiness. Gratitude. Gotta have a lot of gratitude. If you're still watching this video, and if you've been commenting on my other videos, like, I want to let you know that I see you. I see you. Thank you very much. It really do mean a lot to me. It's hard out here. If you want to help me out right quick, just let me know in the comments what you really think I should be considering for this channel. I do a lot of things, and I don't really blame YouTube for not figuring me out, because I haven't even been showing up. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for checking in on me. I hope you stick around. Like this video if you do like it. I got a lot of things that I'm gonna try to be about moving forward. My YouTube studio been telling me that I don't even have enough big data for them to tell me. I haven't even triggered all the full analytics on my channel yet. That's how badly I've been failing this whole time. It's pretty bad. Now I'm really just gonna keep showing up for you. And we gonna win. We gonna win. I really think we could do it. Alright, for sure. Embark Live.